Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new note on the Evernote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the new button down below, indicated by a plus icon, and then click on the note button. Now you are ready to start typing, first starting with your title, and then you can start writing your notes or taking your notes. Then if you want to change your font, for example, you need to tap on this double A button in the middle of the screen. Then you can select your font style here by clicking on the on this third button. You can select the color of your text. You can even italicize, bold, or underline your writing by tapping on the particular icon. By going back to the previous page, you can see that you have the possibility to add check mark boxes, or add drawings, add photos, or other things by clicking on this plus icon. So here you can insert a bunch of things. So if you want to save your note, you only have to tap on this check mark icon in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving your notebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.